Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over something a bit different here. It's the first video I've done in a while on this channel, and the reason for that is just because I've had a lot of in real life stuff going on. I've been traveling. I went to Dubai a couple of times, meeting up with lawyers and stuff, looking to relocate over there. I've been pretty busy with my business outside of DeFi and a couple of marketing businesses. So yeah, it's been all go this year so far. So apologies for no uploads recently. But this channel really is specifically going to be for longer term revenue streams, real revenue stream projects versus high risk DeFi yields. If you still want the high risk DeFi yields, join my Discord server. We're still talking about all that stuff down there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, no, it is risky. Of course, anything in crypto is risky, as we all know. But yeah, we are talking about that stuff in the Discord, and we've got a few links and stuff down there as well. Check the description, join the newsletter, join the free Discord server. Got a premium Discord server there if you're interested in that. We jump on calls multiple times a week and discuss all things going on with the DeFi. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi, because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. A couple of videos planned over the next few days, including this, Lofty AI. This is not a sponsored video, but I mean, if Lofty do want to sponsor me in the video, then feel free to reach out, because Lofty is a fantastic platform, a fantastic project that I have been really enjoying recently. So that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi, because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. With that being said, let's jump into it. So Lofty AI isn't really DeFi. Okay, essentially, as we can see, build wealth with real estate brick by brick at a time, or one brick at a time. Invest in rental properties without getting locked in or out by just a fraction of a property, and collect your first rent payment later today. So how does it work? Well, essentially, Lofty AI is on the Algorand blockchain, and essentially you can go ahead and buy real estate, okay, with a minimum of $50. So you can buy a portion of a real estate, fractional ownership of real estate, with just $50 at a time, which is awesome, and I love that. Now, I've been wanting to get into real estate for a couple of years now, but because absolutely crazy prices as well as interest rates have been going insane, it's just not feasible. It's not profitable, especially for buy to lets. So I have been looking at other kind of fractional real estate slash other ways of getting into real estate without having to put up like a 50% deposit and paying an 8% interest rate, because that's just not sustainable. And Lofty AI kind of bridges that gap. So don't get left behind in the legacy. Don't get left behind the legacy real estate market. It's time for a change. Rising down payments, inflexible terms, and soaring property prices are locking all of the wealthy out from building wealth with real estate. Lofty helps anyone lay a path to financial freedom with fractional real estate investing. So start investing in Lofty projects. I don't know why I'm slurring my words today. I don't know what's going on. Invest in fractional rental properties across America, all without leaving your living room. No experience, connections, or down payment required. So how it works, and we'll go over this in a minute. You essentially go to the marketplace, you check out a property, you can see the estimated returns in terms of capital appreciation and the rent, the cash on cash return, and then you can go ahead and buy $50 worth of that property if you want, right? You don't have to be a pro to invest like one. Skip the down payment, earn rent today, appreciate tomorrow, or multiple properties without the landlord headache, and keep full control of your investments. So how it works, and I know what you're probably going to be asking, is how long they've been going, what happens if the blockchain goes down, whatever else. So these guys have been going for about 3 or 4 years now, of course, completely doxed. They're not really a DeFi project. They're not really a DeFi project. The only thing that is crypto related is crypto onboarding, crypto payments, and that's pretty much it. So with the Lofty, essentially, you create an account. Okay, there is a referral link. I do get a kickback. You guys get a kickback as well. I'll leave it down below if you want to join. I do appreciate that. But you essentially go and create your account, sign up there with the link down below, and fund your account with Algorand USDC. Now, the way that I did it was through Binance and also through my Para wallet, which is the Algorand wallet. So I sent Algo there that I bought on Binance and bridged it. Swapped it for USDC and then sent that to my Lofty wallet. So let's see how it works. Let's go ahead and log in here, and then we'll go to the marketplace. So let's wait for this website to load, and we can see all of these different properties. Now, all of these properties are in America at the moment. I don't know if they have plans to expand outside of America. I don't know if there's any UK or Europe alternatives, but American real estate, fine for me. I don't mind that. So you can see here on all of these properties that you have an estimated IRR, which is, I think it stands for internal rate of return, I'm pretty sure, or investment rate of return, something like that. So this is the projected capital appreciation, 8.7% a year. And also this COC, which is the main thing you want to be looking at for cash flow, is the cash on cash return. So 10.6% for the year. So you put $1,000 in this property, for example, you're going to get $106 back every single year in rental income. So if we take a look here, essentially you're buying part ownership via tokens. So a token costs about $50 per token initially. If people want to sell these tokens at a discount after, they can. You can see all of the details here. So 2-bed, 1 bath, 720 square feet in a single family. You can see all of the details, fully renovated. You can see that it's currently vacant. And you can see all the due diligence documents there. And then, of course, when there's an update on the property, if a tenant leaves or whatever, if there's any damages, they do update this. They send you an email, which is summarized by ChatGPT, and also it gets added onto the page. So you can see the financials right here, total investment value there, underlying asset price, and you can see all of the financial stuff right here. You've got the documents, the buying process, and the market. So how it works is essentially Lofty AI owns a DAO LLC. Okay, so it is a DAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization, which means that's how we're able to go ahead and buy these tokens. So when we buy a token, whether it's 1 token, 100 tokens, 1,000 tokens, 10,000 tokens, whatever amount it is, you then own a portion of this LLC, which is a company based in America that owns the property. So this LLC owns the property, and then you own a portion of that LLC, of course, correlating to the amount of tokens you have, which is the value that you basically own of that LLC. So if Lofty went down, the website went down, the blockchain went down, something happened, you still own a portion of this LLC, okay? Because you own this. You're on the books, you own this LLC. So that means that, you still own the property if this goes down. So this is just an example here. I'll show you some of the properties that I own. I don't have too much in here, about $1,200 in here right now, just testing out for the last couple of months. But what you really want to be looking at, okay, is, so essentially how it works is when you go and buy a token, if it's a new property, right, which I believe this is a new property. Let's go to marketplace. Yeah, new listing. So although this is currently vacant, as you can see here, the seller is providing a 2-month rent credit of $2,300 at closing. Once the property is fully funded and closes, owners will receive half the rent credit to their Lofty account based on the ownership percentage. The remaining will be paid out daily for the following month while the property is marketed for rent. So when there's these new properties, okay, what happens is they allocate 2 months of credit to Lofty. So essentially, when you go ahead and buy a new property, if it's a new listing, you're still going to end up getting rent for the next 2 months, even though there's no tenant in there, because they've allocated that money to rent. So the rent gets paid every single day, like clockwork, to your Lofty account. And then what you do with that money is up to you. You can either recompound it and buy another token to increase your rental balance, or you can withdraw that and take profits, whatever you want to do, right? So if we go to my account here, actually, let's take a look at some of the other properties that we've got listed. So you can see some of these cash on cash aren't that good. This one's been around for a while. 927, I don't want to pronounce that, Avenue Apartment 10, Miami Beach. This doesn't look too good to me, to be honest. 3.2% cash on cash. I'm looking for cash flow versus internal rate of return. Yes, the rate of return's good, but I'm specifically looking for cash flow. Okay. And the good thing about Lofty is, it's not DeFi. You're basically investing in real estate whilst still being on the blockchain, which is pretty cool. So there's one in here in Cleveland, Ohio for a 9.1% cash on cash return. As you can see, tokens are currently $48, so something must have happened if people are selling off these tokens at a discount. So if we take a look at the occupancy status, so there's a 1-year lease, so these people aren't going to be leaving until the 31st of the 1st, which is pretty good. So you always want to make sure you're checking the updates, because there may be like repairs, like here we go, $1,600 repair, 2,000 reserved there after repair. So that's going to be taken out of the rent balance and being put into reserve. So your rent may go down for a while just to keep the upkeep of the property. So there are some things going on. It is passive. I don't really take a look at my Lofty investments too often. Maybe a couple of times a month, something like that, just to take a look and see what's happening with the properties. But of course, there's going to be some issues going on. Of course, there's going to be repairs and stuff. But we're not the landlords, okay? We just invest in these properties. We don't we don't have to deal with any of the headaches or anything. A lot of these are managed by property management firms, so not even Lofty have to do this work themselves. They just give updates, and we kind of just sit back and kind of let it roll out. So if we go to the account here, you can see that I have 6 different properties. You can see this one has gone down slightly, down 3% on this one, but you can see I only have about $1,100 invested. But you can see I have made about 0.73% on historic returns. 5 properties owned. I've made $20.31 in rent on $1,100 for the last couple of months. So if we go to transactions, balance history, you can see here that 2 of these properties aren't currently earning rent, and this is Westwood Drive and Dresden Avenue. We'll take a look at why that is in a minute, but you can see if we take a look at the date here, these 3 properties are running rent, so 7 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent. So not a crazy amount, but again, it's just somewhere to kind of allocate some more money to, and I am looking at buying some more Lofty properties soon. So this one, as you can see, gets a 10.51% cash on cash return, and it is currently vacant. If we take a look at the updates, the repairs, so there is some repairs need to be done. This was updated 2 days ago. So you can see all of the different updates here, which get emailed to you as soon as they come out, which is pretty cool. So if we go over to this one here, which is Dresden Avenue, you can see the cash on cash return for this one is 9.76%. And this is currently vacant as well. So again, you kind of would just want to look at all of the details. There's a bunch of different properties. If we go over to the marketplace here, you can see that there is a ton of different options you can go ahead and look at investing in, which is awesome. So another thing that I wanted to show you here, and if we go back to account, actually, you can see, if we go to my assets overview, you can see here, my cash on cash return varies from 7.51, 7.47, 8.81, 9.2, and 10.51%. So what's that, like average 9% a year, something like that, which isn't bad. So, I mean, if you're funneling profits from other crypto endeavors, whether that's DeFi, whether that's trading or whatever it is, and you want to start off ramping and basically putting that into more safer places, I personally buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with profits. I buy gold. I have gold stored in a vault in Singapore. I own Lofty AI is going to be a new one for me because, again, it's real estate. You're having direct access to real estate without having to buy the actual property, which is awesome, and I love that. You can get started in real estate with a minimum of $50, which is such a cool concept. I'm also buying REITs. I buy Realty Income, which is a real estate investment trust, which has like a 7% dividend yield. So not as good as these cash on cash returns here. But yeah. So anyway, let's take a look at this page. So this is a community made page here, kind of like June Analytics, but for Lofty AI. Now I'll leave a link in the description to this if you want to take a look at it. But you can see the different in assets. You can see all of the different assets here. And you can also see the holders. So one guy here, one guy, one girl, whatever, has 600, and let's zoom in a little bit so you can see this a bit better. But this person has $690,000 invested and gets an annual rate of return at $46,653 in annual rent. And his cash on cash is about 6.75%. He does own 35 properties. And if you click into this wallet, you can actually see kind of what he owns. But I mean, this guy has 634K invested, so quite a bit less than the top guy, but he earns more in rent. So as you can see, some of these guys, they're not getting a huge cash on cash return. I mean, you could probably bump this up to 9 or 10% if you really wanted to in terms of some of the properties that are listed, which means you'll get a lot higher rent or return. So if this guy was, like 8 to 9%, I mean, you're looking at, 55 to 60K a year in rent, which is pretty cool. And you can go through the list and see the different holders. You can see what properties they own, and the kind of returns they're getting, and you can kind of see what they're doing. Like this guy, for example, here, 164K invested, and he gets 17K in annual rent. So if we take a look at this guy right here, he's getting $127.82 a day in rent, and these are the different properties that they own. You can see the invested amount, the daily rent from those, which is pretty cool to see. So, guys, that's really going to be it for the video. I just wanted to show you Lofty. This is one of the things that I'm doing and that I'm investing in. I'll leave a link down below so you can take a look if you want to. You don't have to be a pro to invest like a pro. Everyone deserves to own something real. And yeah, that's it. Like one of the good thing is this is real property. Now, there is interviews on YouTube of the owner. I think he's based in Silicon Valley. I could be wrong. Somewhere in sort of California, LA way. Anyway, pretty cool stuff. They have got a Discord server. Pretty helpful. One of the guys helped me find this page. I asked if there anything like a June Analytics that existed, and there is. Community made. So shout out to the guy that created this. I think his name's Taka in the Discord. But guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you smash a like, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on. I'm going to be posting more on the channel over the next few days and hope to get consistent again, as I've been a bit kind of distant from the channel over the past few weeks. So apologies for that, but we're back with real revenue, real investments in DeFi and passive income. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.